Hello friends! Welcome back to my channel. This is Meggie Farmer with Messin' with Meggie, and today we're gonna do a little patio makeover. Our patio is looking pretty sad. It's got a lot that needs a facelift. I'm gonna do this on a budget. I'm trying to do the whole thing for under $200. I'm gonna shop at Walmart, Target, and Ikea. Let's see what we can get done. All right, let's take a look outside and see the status of things. Not good out here, guys. I mean, other than the garden, it's pretty gosh darn spectacular. But over here leaves a lot to be desired. We've got dead plants. We've got cooler that needs to go away. We got trash. We have a table that I got paint all over that needs to be repainted. This little guy is pretty sad. I updated him last year, but I think he needs a fresh coat of paint. I need to rinse off the walls. I've got dirt everywhere. Trash. Buckets. This guy, I've seen better days. And then this cute little set, I think, could just use a facelift. I think I'm gonna paint it. Give it a new coat of paint. I think it'll be a game changer. Also, get my sweet husband to mow the lawn because it's pretty bad. All in all, I think we can do better. So yeah, I think we can do better out here. It's very hot out here right now. I think we'll wait till tomorrow when it's not so incredibly hot, maybe in the morning. See what we can do. Fix it up. Who thinks this is recyclable? It's made of plastic. I think I'm gonna maybe put it in the recycling bin. All right, we're gonna start spray painting. I'm using Rust-Oleum flat black, and we're gonna fix this table that I have painted all over. Let's see what we can do. I think we can do better. It's already so much better. You guys, that is so satisfying. It was like gross, and one quick coat of spray paint, good as new. Also, this like nozzle is amazing because I just pretty much did a continuous spray the whole time. That was pretty cool. All right, let's paint the little settee now. Okay, here's the next thing we're gonna touch up. So you can see it needs a little dusting and cleaning off, but you can see this thing has been pretty worn out and the table looks kind of sad, and it could be so dang cute. So I'm going to give it a fresh coat of paint, and I'm gonna use the color Oil Rubbed Bronze. Again, it's Rust-Oleum, sticks to everything. Should be good. Give you a good before shot. All right, those are done, and my goodness, what an improvement a little coat of paint does. Pretty excited about this. I'm working really hard to try to be a better steward of the things that I've been given, because I haven't always taken the best care of the things that I have. So rather than going out and buying all new furniture, I decided to just give the stuff I already have a facelift and see how long I can extend its lifespan for, because it's worth it. I mean, one little coat of paint and some painted grass and I hopefully can get another, 5 years out of this. Let's see. All right, one more thing. This is just kind of a side project I want to do, but I have this umbrella stand that's brown. I could never find a black one, and I got paint all over it again. So I'm gonna spray paint this black too, just to match the table. Okay, the last item that could use a little help is this cool chair that I found at Target probably 5 years ago, but the wicker is starting to kind of come off. So I think what I'm gonna do is get out some super glue and try to kind of super glue these pieces back in. The wrap has come off of one of these legs, so I'm probably just gonna take the wraps off of the other 4, or at least, yeah, I'll take it off the other 4. That one's still pretty good, but these look a little rough. So I'll just pull that off, and then we'll give it a quick coat of paint and give it a cushion. All right, I've got some crazy glue. Let's see if this works. Okay, let's paint this guy. I hope this isn't poison ivy. It doesn't look like it, but I don't think that we need plants growing under our house. So I'm gonna pull them out. Sorry, little guys.
One eternity later.
I feel like I should show you guys this outfit that I got at TJ Maxx. This is not the cutest thing. It was like $30, and there's matching shorts. You can see them sitting there on my bed next to the huge pile of clothes. I love it. So the first store I went to try to find some bargains was Walmart. I am an Arkansas girl, so I gotta represent. They actually have really cute outdoor stuff and some great Anthropology-esque pillows. They're only like $12. So I got 2 bright yellow pillows and some black and white pillows because they contrast each other nicely. I found my rug for 20% off at Target and headed on to the Soup Peddler, my favorite. It's so good. Green Monster at my favorite, Soup Peddler. They also have smoothies, not just soup. But it has broccoli, which I thought was really weird, but you can't taste it. Spinach, peanut butter. I don't remember what else, but it's really good. After Ikea. So I have to really control myself in the store because they have a lot of really cute things, but I tried to put on my blinders and get only what I needed on this trip. First up was a new doormat for the back door. We've had the same one for 3 years since we got married, and it was just sad and faded and gross. So I thought this was a great option for $8. Next up, I just wanted a few little accessories, and they had these cute little lanterns for $4 that you just put a tea light in. So I just grabbed 3 of those to kind of set around. And they are so cute in real life when you have the little tea light burning in them. And it's only $4 for like a million tea lights, so why not? I also got distracted in the plant section, grabbed a cute little succulent that I thought would look cute at the bottom of that table, and this fun tree that has a braided trunk. I also thought that that sweet tree needed a nice place to call home, so I grabbed this cute little ceramic pot that's just another neutral color. And last but certainly not least, I needed a little trash can with a lid to keep my potting soil in so I don't have to have that gross bag of potting soil just hanging around the patio. Backed up. Not sure what happened here, but that is terrifying. Oh no. I dropped my plant. Look how sad. So there you have it. I think it's a pretty great turnout. I was able to keep the budget under $200, which was pretty awesome because I started doubting myself there for a little bit. I bought a few things that weren't totally necessary, like some new plants, as if I don't have enough already, but I'm a little plant crazy, so I had too much fun. And I really love the way that it turned out. I've already put it to great use. I've been sitting out there even whenever it's like 100 degrees outside under the umbrella just because I'm obsessed with it and I'm having so much fun having my backyard space back. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think below in the comments. And if you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It really helps out. And I will see you guys again in 2 weeks. Let's see what we have coming up next. Bye. All right, we're gonna let that dry for a little bit and see if we need a second coat. If so, I'll do one in a little bit once it's dry, but I think it's pretty good for a quick start. Sorry, I dropped you.